Hi, I'm Dan with the Home Inspection Network, and I'm here talking with Louis from A.C.F. Home Inspections. And let me ask you something, Louis.
Sure.
When I go to buy a home, and maybe it's an older home, and I'm looking at the electrical panel, and I see a Federal Pacific panel, what should I know about that brand of panel?
Sure, that's a good question, Dan. A lot of times when you get into these older homes, they have what's known as a FPE electrical panel or Federal Pacific panel. The issue they had with those, they had a recall years ago. The problem was they had a lot of defective breakers from the bulletins that were put out, and what would happen is the stab lock breaker would not trip, which would create an issue where you could potentially have a fire by it overheating, melting the wire, and issues like that, which can cause a fire hazard. If you have a Federal Pacific panel, you want to make sure you have that evaluated by a licensed electrician to make sure that it's safe to keep in the home, or have it upgraded just for your safety. It's one of those things that it's not a lot of money, but it's something you want to have checked out because they do have a recall on it, Dan.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Dan.